Okay, good morning everyone, and welcome to our online class. And get ready for some conceptual knowledge in problem solving of quadratic equations. So, as you can see, one problem I had written in front of you. Now, if this problem can be solved in a lengthiest way, we'll do the fractional subtraction addition. Like this, and then it will go cross multiplication, and then we'll simply solve it. So now today I'm going to discuss one of the very simplest way to solve this type of problem. So let us start with it. Okay, so I'm starting it. So let us start solving it like this only. So this we can write it like this only: 2x divided by x minus 3 plus, we will leave this one also as it is. Okay, now after that we will try to do some of the changes with this. And what can be that? So for that we need to do first of all lots of practices, so that it should be compatible with this solving method, so that we can easily get our solution. So see, I'm directly doing for you people, and then I'll let you understand also that how I did it. So as you can see, that 3x plus 9 at the top we are having, and at the bottom we are having x minus 3 and 2x multiplied by 2x plus 3. Now if we want to split this whole in the separately with a fraction having the denominator as x minus 3, and with a fraction having the denominator as 2x plus 3. So is it possible for us to do this? So if I'll tell you yes, it is possible for us to do this. So how is it possible? You see this, we are going, let's suppose that we are having 1 by x minus 3 and 1 by 2x plus 3 over here. Okay, I'm trying to make you people understand about this. So 1 by x minus 3 and 1 by x plus 3. So what will happen? X minus 3, 2x plus 3, the LCM we are going to take. So at the bottom the denominator will be like this only, and this will get cancelled with this. So this is going to multiply 2x plus 3 plus x minus 3. So what result is going to be? This is not going to come. So in place of plus we do minus, and what we do, we'll just do, okay, now just this is the way of understanding. Now I'm just going to do it for you people, and I hope so that you people get it now. So I'm going to write it. Okay, so I will write it like this: 2 divided by x minus 3 minus 1 divided by 2x plus 3. Okay, and is equals to 0. Now you have to understand about this you should understand, okay, that you are understanding it or not. So let us see it. The 2 divided by x minus 3 minus 1 divided by 2x plus 3. Are you people understanding this or not? Tell me. Okay, how you will tell? Now let me explain it once again for you people. So if we go on again doing the sorry, fractional subtraction, then what we are going to get? X minus 3 into 2x plus 3. So this is only going to be the LCM. So see, the LCM is written out. Okay, and after this, now this is going to be cancelled with this. So this cancelled. So 2 is being multiplied by 2x plus 3. So 2 into 2x plus 3, what it will become? So 2 into 2, 4x, and 2 into 3, 6. So it means 4x plus 6. Here we'll get minus will be there. Now 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3 cancelled. Here it will come minus x minus 3 to minus x minus into x, minus 1 into x minus x, and minus plus that, it will become 3. So here we are having 4x plus 6, and here we are having minus x plus 3. So 4x minus x, it will become 3x, and 6 plus 3, it will become 9. So automatically we are getting our result. So in this way you have to think. It means this needs a more brain workout, to just think about it. So in this way you can enhance your thinking. Okay, now see how we can solve this. So these two terms are going to be cancelled with each other, because these are the same thing, and then we'll just do it like this. So I'm writing the step now for you people. so that you can understand it very well. 2 divided by x minus 3 is equals to 0. Okay, now the LCM will be x minus 3 and x minus 1. This is going to be added now. 2x plus 2 is equals to 0. So what the answer we are going to get, so the answer will be x is equals to c. It will go for the cross multiplications. We can write it x plus 1 is equals to cross multiplication, it will become 0, or you can say that this is not going to be equal to 0. So therefore 2 will also not be equal to 0, so therefore we can make it x plus 1 is equals to 0. So x is equals to minus 1. Okay, so the answer of this question is x is equals to minus 1. And when you are going to solve this question with the help of this quadratic equation method, either any one of the method, factorization or middle term splitting method, or quadratic formula like completing square method, whatever method, so you are going to get one more solution of this, and that is not going to be the actual solution of this question. Okay, so this is giving us the direct solution, because the next other solution where you are going to get, that is minus 3 by 2, so that is not correct. Okay, thank you. I hope so that you people had understood this thing. And again, I'm just telling one more thing, that if you people want me to make the videos in Hindi also, so please tell me, so that I can make it for you people. So you can tell me this thing in your in the comment box. Okay, thank you all.